SOF Week's a great place for us to show our capabilities and our gear with the tip of the spear for the military. They always have the best gear and they need that to finish off their missions. To do that, you need accuracy, reliability, and precise gear. If your weapon's not ready, you're out of the fight. So Special Forces teams encounter many different extreme environments between the extreme cold and heat. And what we have come up with are several different things that will help them keep their gear mission ready. The first thing you want to do is make sure you have a CLP or a lubricant that will work either way in the heat or cold. So we go from -65 to 302 degrees Fahrenheit on our CLP. It's a mil-spec CLP. It's a great CLP that not only is a rust prevention and corrosion inhibitor, but also has passed the 1500 full rate auto test well with no malfunctions or jams, and also tremendously well for the rust and corrosion prohibiting in the extreme cold and moisture environment, so like the sea environment. So our team, unit, and individual kits solve these problems by not only including a mil-spec CLP that works in extreme environments, but also puts it together more in our kit version to where you have a bore obstruction remover, so if you have anything stuck, jammed, or cartridge, or if you get mud or snow in your barrel, it will actually help you to be able to clean that out and make sure you can use your firearm and weapon again, okay? So the Borka kit itself helps operators keep their gear mission ready in any engagement they'll need in the field for several reasons. First off, we include 2 sets of bits, as one set of bit is 0 in the field, 2 is 1, because you can't go to the hardware store and get one in the field. The other thing is, it is the most adjustable torque driver there is. So it actually goes from 10 to 27 inch-pounds on one side of the beam here, and then from 28 to 70 on the other. So it actually allows you to do individual inch-pound increment adjustments to where if you have an optic at 18, you can set that at 18, and it's very accurate and precise. So a couple of the innovations we are doing for the warfighter maintenance is the extreme cold environment. So we've innovated a actual lubricant. It's our high north lubricant. It's been tested. It goes down to -90 in extreme cold environments. So that's one thing that'll keep their weapons and mission ready and able to use in the super cold environment. Another great innovation that ProShot's been able to do with our acquisition of Borka tools is come out with an individual drone operator's field tool repair kit. So this toolkit we put together, and it basically will fix all your smaller drones out in the field, allows them to strip the wires, replace all the parts on it, and makes one kit to where they can set a standard operating procedure for being able to fix all the smaller drones with the same tools.